Picture, stand by for picture.
Thursdays are, they're pretty fun time during the week. Just us mechanics, not very many people here. We have a good time. Yeah, my Crocs. I like my Crocs because sometimes when I'm feeling pretty hot, I just wet my feet off,
I can't do the wet feet route. Like, it's not me.
I'm gonna get him to transfer over. By the end of the season, he'll have some Crocs.
Wednesday night, Derek and Jason get here every week. Thursday, wake up, set wash bays up, and go grocery shopping. Prep the riders chicken, pasta, rice. I probably feed anywhere from 10 to 15 people a weekend. Over the weeks, you kind of learn each and every person what they like. Yep, Derek's yogurt, Jason's Uncrustables, and his pickles. Derek, dude, downpoured on us, and all the groceries got wet. I can promise you that there's no other truck in this paddock that has blueberry goat cheese in the fridge. Got the riders' fruit, espresso pods. That's a big deal here. Olives with jalapenos in the middle of them. Like, some of this stuff I didn't even know existed.
Jalapenos, huh?
It's his jam.
A little storm came through and we had to kind of stop and move stuff around so it don't get too wet. Kind of, threw a little hiccup in the day, but we'll turn it around.
It's gonna be wet, so we'll put more foam in, see if we need to do solid rotors and stuff like that. From tear down, clean, inspect, reassemble, I'd say between 12 and 14 hours is a typical day.
You should rev that one up, dude. That map and that setup, dude, it feels pretty good. Got it done.